Chapter 9 Social Health Part 2. Hello students, as you all know that we have already started 9th chapter, that is social health of standard 10. We are going to do today second part of social health. That is, in our last session we studied that there are number of factors which are affecting social health, such as education, water, toilet, garden, political view, environment, surrounding. Everything is bound to affect our social health. Now, let us see which are the drawbacks what we are going to face. Nowadays we are facing lots of problems such as cybercrime. We all know. What do you mean by cybercrime? Cybercrime is nothing else but it is an activity which our anti-social elements carry forward. What exactly happen in this social health? That you might have heard that there is a phone, somebody is getting a phone call and they are asking the XYZ person that please, you are a lucky winner and you got a gift from our side. The gift is comparative a huge amount. So if you want us to put the amount in your account, give us your Aadhaar card, your PAN card and your ATM pin so that we can transfer the amount to your bank account. Many people get fraud. They get this fraud call and they are getting a huge loss by sharing their Aadhaar card, PAN card, their ATM pin, ATM number, expiry of ATM. All these details should not be shared with other people, but poor people without lack of knowledge, or if there is lack of knowledge, they share it easily, and if they share it easily, very next moment a huge amount from their account is transferred to somebody else's account. They are looted, and all these things are happening, and they simply have to go and file their complaint in cyber cell. We all know cyber cell. Cyber cell is the special unit of police department which deal only with cyber crime. म्हणजे आपल्या देशातल्या वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणून सायबर क्राईम घडतात आणि हे सायबर क्राईम घडण्यामागे अगेन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कॅन बी अ रिझन. हुशार मुलं आहेत, एज्युकेशन भरपूर आहे, पण एम्प्लॉयमेंट नाही आहे. इफ देर इज नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट, हियर द एम्प्टी माइंड स्टार्ट थिंकिंग बॅड थिंग्स लाईक दिस. अँड और काही असे लोक आहेत की ज्यांच्याकडे नोकरी आहे बट दे वॉन्ट क्विक मनी. ज्यावेळेस नोकरी करून यू हॅव टू वर्क, स्ट्रगल अ लॉट टू गेट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, बट if you do one crime or two crime, you will easily get money, but keep it in mind, it is not good, and some of them are doing. Let us see some cyber crimes in detail. If you think you are being robbed by somebody, do not disclose your PIN, ATM PIN, to anybody while withdrawing the cash from ATM machine. Customers are deceived by showing superior items on website but actually selling the item of either inferior quality or impaired one. म्हणजे आपण जेव्हा ऑनलाईन शॉपिंग करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीचे मटेरियल दाखवले जातात आणि ज्यावेळेस आपण विकत घेतो आणि घरी आपल्याकडे जे काही ऑनलाईन शॉपिंगचं येतं तर त्याची क्वालिटी खूपच खराब असते. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ सायबर क्राईम. बँक ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स आर डन युझिंग पिन विदाउट नॉलेज ऑफ कन्झ्युमर. म्हणजे तुमच्या ATMचा पिन डायरेक्ट कम्प्युटरमध्ये टाकला जातो आणि तुमच्या अकाउंटची जी काही कॅश असेल ती ट्रान्सफर केली जाते आणि ज्याचं ते अकाउंट असेल त्याला ते माहिती पडत नाही की त्याच्या अकाउंटमधून त्याचाच पिन वापरून ही सगळी कॅश ट्रान्सफर केली गेलेली आहे. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ सायबर क्राईम. कॉन्फिडेन्शियल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ government institute and companies is obtained from internet. This is called as hacking information. Nowadays, crime like opening a fake account on Facebook, displaying false information, and thereby teasing girls or exploring their financially, it is a common thing. Misuse or illegal sale of written literature, software, photos, videos, music, etc. of others by obtaining from internet is called as piracy. म्हणजे जे काही पिक्चर्स वगैरे तुम्ही पाहता तर ते पायरेटेड मूवीज असतात की तुम्ही जर तुम्ही ते पिक्चर विदाऊट ओनरच्या माहितीने तुम्ही जर इंटरनेटवरून डाउनलोड केले चुकीच्या वेबसाईटनी आणि जर तुम्ही ते पाहिले तर दॅट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज पायरेसी. पायरेसी म्हणजे चोरीच एक प्रकारची आणि ती करणं योग्य नाही. एक्सचेंज ऑफ information through media like email, Facebook, WhatsApp occurs very fast. However, our personal information and phone number are automatically spread and thereby reach the unwanted person, which lead to malpractice like incoming of unnecessary messages, unnecessary blackmailing. Such message either impair or shut down the मोबाईल अँड कम्प्युटर. या सगळ्या मेसेजेसमुळे काय होतं की तुमच्या कम्प्युटरमध्ये एखादा व्हायरस येतो आणि तुमचा कम्प्युटर किंवा मोबाईल जो आहे तो बंद पडून जातो आणि जर ते बंद पडलं आणि जर तुमचा तोच मोबाईल नंबर बँकेशी अटॅच असेल तर तुमच्या बँकेमधून किती पैसे विड्रॉ झालेले आहेत ते तुम्हाला मेसेज येत नाही कारण तुमचा मोबाईल बंद पडलेला आहे. म्हणजे हे सगळे जे काही गुन्हे आहेत हे अशा पद्धतीने होतात. दॅट्स वाय यू आर सपोज टू बी व्हेरी कीन while using media. Our next topic is stress management. Due to busy schedule, nowadays people are getting lots of stress. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की आजकाल जे काही लाईफ झालेलं आहे हे खूप धकाधकीचं झालेलं आहे. People are getting busy nowadays. But if their brain don't get ample exercise, ample relaxation, they may get stress, for the depression, may commit suicide. We all know it. So in order to avoid all these accidents, we should first, when the moment you feel that you are stressed, you should do some management and try to come out of this stress. आणि या स्ट्रेस मधून जर बाहेर पडायचं असेल तर there are many number in which you can come out of this stress. But how you can come out of this stress? Let us see in detail. Have you ever heard loud laughing of senior citizens in the garden or public places? Yes. The name of this newly popularized content is Laughter Club. These people relieve their mental stress by laughing loudly. आणि यांच्या हसण्याचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार असतात. बघूया आपण कसे आहेत ते. यामध्ये जेव्हा हे प्रौढ व्यक्ती हसतात त्यावेळेस त्यांचा BP कंट्रोलमध्ये राहतो. त्यांना जर अस्थमासारखे काही आजार असतील तर त्याच्यापासून पण त्यांना रिलीफ मिळते, कारण हसण्यामुळे जास्तीत जास्त हवा आपल्या फुफ्फुसात जाते आणि रेस्पिरेशन सोपं होतं. Our next topic is unified movement against tobacco. We all know tobacco chewing is injurious to health. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. If all these things are injurious to health, why person get addicted to it? If the person is addicted to tobacco chewing or inhaling it, the person is definitely going to have death one day, and that death may be due to cancer due to this tobacco. So as educated people studied that this tobacco is not good for health, government started thinking that how can we overcome this problem, and so for near about 45 organizations just like WHO, Tata Health, all these trusts together came and they started a movement. Which movement? That is this movement through which the people who are getting addicted towards tobacco should be coming out of this addiction and saving their own life as well as their family life. Our next topic is Salam Mumbai Foundation. This is an organization. This organization work for slum children. Those children who are living in slum area in Mumbai, this organization arrange school for these children. They give them proper education, they empower them, they give them enough knowledge of living healthy life. And not only living healthy life, this organization also educate children, make them aware of adverse effect of tobaccos. या टोबॅकोचे काय काय दुष्परिणाम आहेत हे त्या मुलांना लहानपणापासूनच शिकवलं जातं, आणि हे शिकवत असताना ते मुलं जर अवेअर असतील या सगळ्या दुष्परिणामांचे, तर ते घरी जाऊन त्यांचे आई वडील जे कोणी धूम्रपान करत असेल त्यांना याच्यापासून डायव्हर्ट करू शकतात. दे कॅन मूव देम अवे फ्रॉम दिस addiction. So this Salam Mumbai is working and doing really a great job. We will see in detail what exactly they are doing nowadays. Our last topic of this chapter is government scheme. Government has launched certain schemes, that is they have published certain numbers, helpline numbers in newspaper, in radio, on television. They are just publishing these numbers so that children of your age or younger than you or elder than you can call them and can tell them or can take their guideline, can express your problem in front of them, which you can't talk with your friend, with your family, with your teachers, anybody. And if you talk on that phone number, they will definitely guide you, and all this activity is done by government. So really government is doing a great job for younger generation. Not only younger generation, government is doing their job for each and every age criteria. So here we end with the chapter. All the best for your studies.